Greetings once again in another episode of Bars Beats. Only some of the maddest reviews them around here. Yes, no joke. Now you up now. You see today in the program, me a decode a song by Vybz Kartel. And it's called It a Tape. He's not asking. Well, he's asking if it's taping. So, but basically this song is a diss track. But I'm gonna go in the song, and while we go, I'll explain how the thing go. Okay? Now, if you're new to the channel, just remember to subscribe. And if you want the latest videos, notification bell you must click. Okay? You won't regret it. Alright, let the song go on, we'll talk now. Alright, watch it now.
Turn it on, make it video. TikTok, IG, Vimeo. See your bad mind, but me see with you. I hear me. Little Vybz, it a tape. Yeah. Laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape.
Hold on. There's a lot of things in it, as we say. Vybz Kartel, lyricist to the bone. Okay? So, when him spit lyrics, I have to decode. Now, when him say turn it on, if it's a video, IG, something like that, Vimeo, you know those are streaming sites, right? So that's what him do from early out. Alright? So, when him say it a tape, let me go back some more and me get bit by bit. Watch it now.
Turn it on, make it video. TikTok, IG, Vimeo. See your bad mind, but me see with you.
So him say your bad mind. Pussy your bad mind, but me see with you. Now, when he say your bad mind, and bad mind in Jamaica means a person who is covetous or ready eye. Well, say covetous, because covetous is more of a envious. But we use for bad mind, the substitution for enviousness, we use ready eye. Bad mind. A dirty heart. Yeah, man. Yeah, so when a person bad mind and them work, they will give them, right? And sometimes we say drunk or two. Okay? So, that's what we're going to. So we go further now.
I hear me. Little Vybz.
Little Vybz is his son. Okay? It a tape, gauze, and a rape. Okay, that's what I'm going to say afterwards. So when you say it a tape, he's asking someone if it is being videoed. But it a tape, gauze, and a rape. Now, when he says gauze and a rape, when he came from prison, he started using that slang. But it's long after I realized that he was, and maybe it's not that the case, you know, but this guy just pick it up. He was throwing shades at this guy's called Deva Brat. And Deva Brat was a person who was in the Portmore Empire from it started. Some says that Deva Brat started out Portmore Empire and Vybz Kartel took it from him, and others say differently. But that is up to them. I don't want to see who started. I didn't start it, so I don't know. But this is what it's saying. Deva Brat was there from inception. That is factual. Okay? Who started it might be opinionated, right? So, Deva Brat now was charged for some sexual offenses from way back when. And that is something that stayed in Deva Brat throughout his career, up till this very day. So when Vybz Kartel came up and said, it a tape, gauze and a rape. As I said, I'm not sure, I'm not in his mind. But Vybz Kartel, when he's holding a conversation, there are times he just rhyme off the top of his head. But when you say tape, rape is the next thing will come next. But when Vybz Kartel said that now and they did an interview with Deva Brat now, Deva Brat said he was talking about him. And I mean, the interview was on The Fix. And The Fix, when in that interview, he mentioned something about Deva Brat, and Deva Brat said, okay, so that's why you said tape and rape, and Deva Brat did a diss track for Vybz Kartel called It a Tape too, right? So this is Vybz Kartel reply based on it, but it's not only for Deva Brat. So I'm going through and then we find it now. So make we go.
See your bad mind, but me see with you. I hear me. Little Vybz, it a tape. Yeah. Laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Remember out the road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see.
Okay, so you hear him say, load the picnic them and don't touch the sour grape. Now that is a direct attack on Deva Brat, because of the charge that he got was with a statutory rape charge, meaning about somebody under the age, okay? And So that's why I mentioned that. Low the sour grape. I think him more I say yo the young grape, but him say low the sour grape. So that's what I'm talking about. Him saying pussy dash you a road in a tin of paint. So him saying you don't need to trouble the kids them. There are enough women out the road where you can trouble. You have go-go's, you have prostitutes, you have ladies who just want to give because you're artists. So why you got trouble the younger kids them? You know? So I make it go further now.
It's a tape, yeah. Gaza no rape. The wow your pussy tight is like me broken at a safe. She tell me says she want to use me come for face paint. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight. Me say one burner and the whole place shake. Some of them a talk about say me give say them a date.
Okay, so him saying there's about the one burner. When a Jamaican say one burner is mean that is one woman is working with, or there is just he's staying in a we call it now a fidelity relationship, a monotonous we call it monotonous relationship, a one person relationship. So he's not doing a polygamous relationship, a monogamous. That's what I need to say. He's doing a monogamous relationship and not a polygamous relationship. So when a man is doing a monogamous relationship, he is a one burner. That's what they call it. Okay? So him say when he say that, them say he's giving Sidem, and Sidem is his fiance. He's giving her a dick. So let me go back some more so you catch it good because you know Vybz Kartel talk fast. Watch it now.
The whole place shake. Some of them a talk about me come for face paint. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight. Me say one burner and the whole place shake. Some of them a talk about say me give say them a date. All my granny say me can't give pussy a break, but I bill and go on pile up the safe. Red boom it a record. Glory to the Lord. When me no want to use me cash, me use my black card. Some
hold on. Red boom. It a record. Glory to the Lord. So remember when I say it a tape. He always say it a record. It a tape. No, most of him say it a tape. But this guy Deborah Brat now did it a record. It a tape. Whatever. That's how the song got. So that's why I'm saying it a record, glory to the Lord. So maybe he's just trying to put a little style on Deborah Brat still. Because as I said before, they fell out from way back when in the Portmore Empire days. So, me could go further.
When me no want to use me cash, me use my black. Yeah, break, but I bill and go on pile up the safe. Red boom, it a record. Glory to the Lord. When me no want to use me cash, me use my black card. Some boy need a fitted, call them a cap hard. Me live in a your gal, rent free landlord.
Hold on. Some boy need a fitted, cause them a cap hard. No, a fitted. I think he wants a crown, right? A crown which is for your tooth, right? Because them capping hard. So cap is really the crown, the thing where you put over your teeth. Or maybe the cap here so. But cap, the name for the cap is when you're telling lies. So you must say them lying hard. So them need a crown. Go on.
Yeah, some boy need a fitted.
Hold on.
Boom, it a record. Glory to the Lord. When me no want to use me cash, me use my black card. Some boy need a fitted. Call them a cap hard. Me live in a your gal, rent free landlord.
You hear that? So I'm living in a girl. And normally a man saying living in a girl, it means say he's with your girl like 24/7. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, he's with your girlfriend. But him saying living there rent free, meaning that him not have a PR if you have sex with her, him not have a PR with her. A landlord. So that's the play on words right there. So rent free landlord. Okay? Go.
Call them a cap hard. Me live in a your gal, rent free landlord. It a tape. Gaza no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy so I grape. Remember out the road say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It a tape. Yeah. Gaza no rape. To wow your pussy tight is like me broken at a safe. She tell me says she want to use me come for face paint. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight. Me go prison, me escape. The gal them hero, no wear brief, no wear cape. Me love the thick gal, the bumper with the pure shape. Me love the maga gal, your body flat, it just straight. Me drop the straight vibes, I sell 1,000 plus crate. In a one day, every retailer frustrate. Gamble with the teacher and your money show for double. Could a 1991 came and a spark in a trouble. It a
Whoa. Hey, the man angle the rhythm like a fee. Make it, brother. Hey, the man angry like I'm a TJ. You make it with him, brother. Yeah, man. Him do solid pan this already behind it. We have to go back. sorry, we have to go back. Him deal with it rough. Go on.
Replicate the place straight. Me go prison, me escape. The gal them hero, no wear brief, no wear cape. Me love the thick gal, the bumper with the pure shape. Me love the other gal, your body flat, it just straight.
So I love the thick girls. The thick girls are the one that are fat, right? And the one him say without bottom, the one without shape. So he must see it basically the type of girls that him love. Go on.
Me drop the straight vibes and sell 1,000 plus crate. In a one day, every retailer frustrate. Gamble with the teacher and your money show for double. Coulda 1991 Caymanas Park in a trouble.
Caymanas Park is where they race horses. So just to get it, you know.
Yeah, laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Remember out the road, say pussy dash wet in a pain. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It's a tape. Yeah, laws are no rape. To wow your pussy tight is like me rocking at a safe. She tell me, say she want to use my comfy face paint. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight.
Alright. So song done. And you don't know it go already. That song, yeah? It bad. I thought it what they were talking about. It was when I said it's not only for Deborah, but I didn't remember that the one that he did for Beanie Man was the other one. But this one is strictly for Deborah, right? When you talk about Gaza and rape. Anyway, bad song, big song, and that song you push hard. No more have to know what you think about it. I'm want to know whether 238. I don't know that. I don't remember that 238 I mean, you know. Because I know Massacre have a 438 here, but remember 238. I don't know what that mean. Anyway, people, talk to me here, sir. Let me know what you think about this song. Alright? As usual, this is a do quick. Out of here, we say what? Have that.